Hey guys, I'm back with another reading lesson, and I want to talk about how you can use words you know to read words you don't know. But first, I want to start out with how you can use words you know to write words you don't know. So the first word up here, I'm going to turn the board, is cat. Everybody knows that word. If I want to change cat to hat, at. I just change the C to an H and add the ending, at, hat. If I want to change hat to splat, I just change the H to spool, S-P-L, and then add the ending, at, splat. Also, if I start with this word, I know the word stop. Oops. If I know the word stop, and I want to spell the word stand, I know that stand starts with the same blend as stop, S-T. And then I add and, which is a snap word. And stand. And just in the same way, you can use a word you know to read a word you don't know. So knowing one word can help you write another word, but using words you know doesn't just help you write new words, it also helps you read new words. And readers can use words they know to read words they don't know. So when you're stuck on a word or you get to a tricky word, you have to think in your head, do I know how to read or write a word that looks like this one? So I'm going to write 3 words at the top. Words you probably know, car and saw and will. And then I'm going to write and then I'm going to write some words at the bottom, and we're going to see where those words go. Which word at the top can help us read the word at the bottom. So the first word is, I'm going to write, well, I'm not going to say what it is first. Let me write it down here. That's the first word. And the next word is and the last word is now, let's look at the first word. I see a word up at the top that would help me read that word. I see this I-L-L. And I see I-L-L in will. So this is w-ill. So I-L-L says ill. So this might say ill inside this word. So if I sound it out, ill, and ing says ing. Ill, ing, thrilling. So this word will help me read thrilling. The next word, what part do I see that's like one of the words at the top? I see the A-W, like in saw, all. So maybe this says all down here, all. Crawl. So the word saw helped me read crawl. How about this last one? I see the AR like in car, R. So this might say R, R, pen, R, pen, sharpen. So car helped me read that big tricky word, sharpen. Okay, that's how you use a word you know to read a word you don't know. Now, I'm going to turn this back and I want to look inside a book because that's why we're learning all of this so that we can read our books better. Okay, so I'm going to close my pen and I want to look inside a book that we already read. Called My Garden. And I'll show you that in the next video.